Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks, and today I come to you with a Realtors lock. This is designed so you have 4 numbers here. You can open this, roll the numbers a couple ways a little bit further, and the side door will open to let you get the keys. So, but the trick today is that I'm not going to be doing this. I have instructed my girlfriend on how to go about doing this with this lock, and she is the one that's going to do it today. So, after you. Also, this tool right here came in from Fast Charlie, which the lock did too, and I'm super stoked about this decoder. It's super awesome. All right, go ahead. So what she's doing here, she's scraping on the side of each one of the numbers and moving them forward 1 space to find the difference. Yeah, looks like she's got the first one. Now, normally I would go ahead and pick this, but I wanted to show you how simple it is for someone to go about picking one of these locks and decoding them. Oh, she got number 2, is on to number 3. All she's looking for is a variation in this. Just a slight difference in what the number is. Okay, and on to number 4. The thing about this lock too is you can roll all the numbers from 0 past 0 and keep going, but you can't go backwards. You can only go backwards to 0. So okay, it looks like she's happy with those numbers. Now what she's gonna do is she's gonna roll each number forward 1 space until something opens, either the side, because if she would check the hasp, she would see that it doesn't open on those numbers, but that's okay. Keep going. All right, so that doesn't open. And sweet, she got it open. That's fantastic. So now she could take it off the door if she wanted to, but if she locks it back up and keeps rolling those numbers forward, now she's going to see on the side here if the side door will open. Okay. Nope. Nope. And she opened it up. So what's on in there? Some keys and a couple locks from Fast Charlie again. That is awesome. So as you can see with this ShurLok here, what it does is once you land on the one number, you can open the hasp, and then you roll it forward 3 numbers from there, and then you can open the side door here. Very, very easy. Like I said, I showed my girlfriend how to do it, and she didn't know the numbers, but she was able to figure it out in a very, very small amount of time. So thank you so much for watching. This again is K1 Locks saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock. Go, go.